Hello and welcome everyone. So there is a certain aura about people who can make tables turn with their gifts to gab. These type of people can convince you that the sun rises in the west if they want to. Irrespective of whether you look up to them or you despise them, you cannot deny that at some point or at another in your life you wanted to be like them. So these are the people we call the debaters, and this is what we are going to discuss today. Have to be a very good debater. In today's session, we are going to learn about various things you should keep in your mind whenever you are going for a debate. So let's begin the session without any further ado. And also, debating is actually a skill that can be easily acquired with a little bit of effort. When practiced regularly, the skill can take one places. So, let's explore the ways and means in which you can groom yourself to become a debater of exceptional caliber. So, here is the first point that you should follow. That is to keep calm. And this is very important in your life too. शांत रहना बहुत important है and all of us know that. So this is the golden rule of debating, irrespective of whether you are debating on the podium or at the dining table, since the other person has a perspective that is different from that of yours. So at that time, do not lose your temper. You have to listen to others' opinions also. So definitely हर person का अपना perspective है, right? So अगर आप dining table पे हैं or either you are actually on the stage. So always keep calm when your opponent is expressing his or her views. Now let's move to the next point that you should follow when you are going for a debate. And that is to act confident. You need to be confident throughout your speaking. जब भी आप अपने views express कर रही हैं, उस टाइम आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है. This point applies not just to debating but also to your life. So even if you're not confident yourself, if you can manage to portray yourself to look confident, half of your battle is won. जब आप confidently अपना कोई भी point express करते हैं, then the opponent will think twice before reverting cross-questioning something that you spoke. तो अगर आपने कोई भी अपना point इतनी confidence से put किया है, then the opponent will definitely think twice before raising any kind of question. उनको खुद को doubt हो जाएगा either they are raising the question right or not. So be confident whenever you are speaking. Moving to the next point is to maintain proper body language. And as all of us know, that body language is the most important thing in our life. And whenever you are delivering any kind of speech or debating on the stage, you need to have proper gestures in yourself. भी आप स्टेज पे हैं and whenever you are going for a debate, you should maintain a proper eye contact with everyone. जो आपकी audience है उनके साथ अच्छा सा eye contact होना चाहिए, not with a particular section only. बस अगर आप कुछ ही लोगों के साथ अगर eye contact रखेंगे, then the rest of the audience will feel unwanted. Also, you should not fidget with your hands, right? आपको अपने hands use करने हैं for speaking. Do very good gestures as this will make your point more strong. Time to move on the next one, and that is use of debate jargons. This is another point that applies to formal debating. There are certain terms that are used in a debate with which every professional debater is well versed. Words like motion, rebuttal, treasury, etc. If you are using these words, such kind of words will show that you are very confident. So always make sure that you're acquainted with these commonly used debating jargons. The more good words, the more heavy words you will use, it will make a huge impact on your opponent. So before going for a debate, आपके पास एक अच्छी सी word list होनी चाहिए from where you can use appropriate word for the situation. Let's move to the next point, and the next point here is to work on emotions. So now you might be thinking कि आप किसी के emotions पे कैसे work कर सकते हो. So now you should try to tell stories and facts that will make people connect to you at a personal level. So आप basically अपनी audience को अपने आप से personal attach और connect कर सकते हो अगर आप कुछ points अपनी side से रखते हो. And this step is of utmost importance if the motion on the floor is something that is human in nature. तो अगर आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो, then try to hit on your opponent, right? Just play this card to win your debate. The next thing that you can do here, and that is Speak loud and be clear. यहाँ पे loud का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको चिल्लाने लगना है. No, not at all. Do not shout, but your voice should be clear. Your words should be clear. Because the biggest turn off in any debate would be if the debater starts mumbling. So try करना कि ऐसा कभी ना हो that you do not start mumbling. You should be very clear about what you speak and state the same in a loud and clear tone. And definitely you should also avoid the usage of fillers. Right? So your voice should always be clear and avoid using such fillers like इससे क्या होगा? It will denote कि आप शायद point भूल गए हैं and you are nervous at the same time. The next thing is to keep the topic on track. So in the course of a debate, it often happens that both the parties tend to deviate from the original ideas and ultimately the conversation ends up being about something that is totally irrelevant. So उन्हीं points को आपको denote करना है which are relevant to your topic, right? आपको बिल्कुल भी topic से दूर नहीं जाना है and this will help you to win the debate here. This will impress your judges कि आपने कैसे सारे points अपने topic के related ही put up किए हैं, right? So always keep this thing in your mind. The next thing is look for faults. And all of us know that it is a very common human tendency. अगर आप किसी की mistakes निकालोगे तो वो obviously बहुत ही nervous हो जाएगा. The key here is to look for logical fallacies in your opponent's statement and then bring it out to the public. In most forms of debate, you get an opportunity to question the statements of your opponent, right? So आपको जब भी opportunity मिलती है, take your time and just get their faults out. So this will simply break the confidence of your opponent and there will be high chances of you to win this. Moving ahead, the next thing is do your research well. The particular topic on which you are going to speak on, उसके बारे में आपको बहुत knowledge होनी चाहिए. So the last and perhaps the most important tip in debating is to be well versed with what you are speaking on. ऐसा करने से will not only ensure that you speak well in debate, but इससे आप उस position में होगे that you can answer anyone's question. It is very common कि अगर आप दूसरों से questions raise करेंगे, then you will also be questioned. So be ready for every kind of question. Also, if you have researched about the topic, तो आप अपने opponent से भी शायद ज़्यादा questions raise कर सकें. So always keep these things in your mind whenever you are going for a debate. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.